How to move and transfer a CapCut project to another PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can move and transfer a CapCut project to another PC. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your CapCut app, and now you have to open any project on your CapCut app. Now make sure you select this black side and not the media. Once you do not select the media and you have just clicked on this black panel, it's going to bring the details over here. And here you can see the path over here. This is the path. You have to click this modify option and make sure you have chosen this option, copy media to project, and then click save. Mine is already chosen. Now just minimize the CapCut window, and once you minimize the window, you have to come to the search bar and search for run. And on the run, press enter. Now type app data and click OK. It's going to open the app data. So my location is app data. Just see for yours. Mine is app data, so I'm going to just run for app data on the run bar. Now you have to click this local option. On the local option, choose CapCut. And under the CapCut options, you have to choose user data. And in the user data, you have to scroll down until you find the option that says projects and open it. And then you have to open the drafts option. And here you can see this is the folder with my file. As you can see, the number matches 0307 and this is 0307. So simply copy this. You have to simply choose it and click right click, and then you have to copy this folder and come to your desktop and paste it over here somewhere. Just right click on your window and click paste. Now once you have the folder on your desktop, you simply have to choose the folder and right click on it, and then you have to make it a compressed file. Click compress to and then make a zip file out of it. Now you have the zip file over here. Once the zip file is ready, now you can share the zip file with another person. Just use a USB or you can email it to your friends. Then they can just copy this folder or cut the folder, and then they can just paste it on the following path that you followed. And that's how you move and transfer CapCut project to another PC.